everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 11, which is container with most water. So this is a classic problem to understand the concepts of the arrays and strings and all that. The statement is that you are given in height, array of height, and then where each element represents the height of a vertical line on the x-axis, you need to find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container holds the most water. The container's area is determined by area is equals to width and minimum of height of left and height of right? We must maximize this area. Let's take an example. It's given here. First of all, we are given a diagram to understand the example, and then the input should be an array of heights, and the output should be 49. And here, between index 1, which is height 8, and index 8, height 7, the width is 8 minus 1, 7. The height is equals to min of 8 and 7, 7. So the area should be 7 into 7, which is 49, and the maximum possible area. So let's understand the question in more detail. We are given multiple lines, vertical lines over here, and then in each line's height is given in array. Okay. The container is formed by two lines, one in the left and one in the right. One in the left and one in the right, and the x-axis at the bottom. We want the maximum area possible. So area should be right minus left into minimum of height minus minimum of height left and minimum of height right. So the approach we are going to use here is two pointer approach. We are basically going to create two pointers left and right, and then integer max area, and then while left is less than right, we are going to calculate the width and we are going to calculate the height, then area, and then max area from the area and the max area. Let's solve the question and then we'll understand all the steps in detail. First of all, let's create two pointers, okay? The left one would be 0 because it is starting from the 0th index. And the right one should be it should be height dot size minus 1 because it is starting from the last index. It is starting from the right position. To make it short, we can even make a variable int n equals to yeah, and here we can just write n. Is it very easy? Yeah, and now we are going to apply a while loop where left is less than right. Should be less than, and then we are going to create a variable width to calculate the width of the container of the rectangle, the square. It should be right minus left, from the right to the left, okay? And then as the name of the array is height, we are going to use h for the height, okay? We want the minimum height from the left and the right, as we can see. Yeah, we want the minimum height. So height would be height of left, right. Yeah. Now let's make an area variable. And then let's apply an if condition. If area is greater than max area. We are going to basically swap them, but we are not using the inbuilt swap method. So we are equating the max area equals to area. So whenever the area is greater than max area's value would be set to the area's value. And then another if condition. This is to check the, wait a minute. Yeah, it is to check and handle all the edge cases. If the height of left is less than right one, because we need to see the case where height of the left is less than height of the right? So then we will move on. And then we are going to return max area. Yeah, let's check it out. We are having some error, maybe, yeah. We have not made a variable for the max area. My mistake. Let's run it. It should be correct now. Yeah, it's correct. So it was pretty simple question. That's how we solve question number 11, container with the most water.